Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 10th. Market analysis. The global tariff trade war has escalated in an all-round way. After the long-term profit-taking in the spot gold market, safe haven funds flooded into the market again and closed the day online again yesterday. On this trading day, after the opening of Asia in early trading, the gold market continued its bullish trend all the way up, reaching a maximum of $3,132.66 per ounce in the day, and currently trading around $3,116 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. From a short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of 31.10 to 31.33, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 3,133 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 31.43 to 31.53. If the afternoon market breaks 3,110 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 3,100 to 3,090. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.0912 to 1.1100. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1100 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1150 to 1.1190. If the afternoon market breaks 1.0912 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.0870 to 1.0820. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a low shock stage on the hourly chart and in a shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.2821 to 1.2870. If the market breaks 1.2870 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.2920 to 1.2960. If the afternoon market breaks 1.2821 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.2740 to 1.2700. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6114 to 0.6200. If the market breaks 0.6200 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6250 to 0.6290. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6114 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6070 to 0.6020. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 146.42 to 148.27. If the market breaks 148.27 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 149.00 to 149.60. If the afternoon market breaks 146.42 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 145.70 to 145.20. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.20.